Cricketer turned politician Imran Khan has been called on by his ex-wife Jemima Khan to help her brother Zach Goldsmith campaign as he tries to win a parliamentary seat in the British elections, widely expected to be held on the 6th of May. Imran Khan at a mosque in Kingston upon Thames, exerting his charm, trying to persuade Britons of Pakistani origin in the area to vote for Zach Goldsmith, watched by his ex-wife and her family. 35-year-old Zach, the Tory candidate for the constituency of Richmond Park, heir to billionaire Jewish financier Sir James Goldsmith, is part of the Conservative Party leader David Cameron's inner circle. When it came to influencing Muslims from the subcontinent in his constituency, Zach turned to his sister Jemima's former husband, Imran Khan.
Zach is like a younger brother, but I'm not campaigning because he's like a younger brother, but I'm campaigning because I know his views, and specifically he was anti-war consistently, and war has devastated Pakistan.
It's clearly been a very amicable divorce, with Jemima's brother heaping words of praise on his brother-in-law.
Because Imran is one of the only politicians in the world who I know who is not corruptible. That's a very rare thing in politics, not just in Pakistan, but in almost every country. So for me, this man is a hero, not just because of his cricket, but because of his political integrity.
There was no dearth of star power. Proud sister Jemima stood by throughout, attracting a stream of admirers.
It is a little difficult to miss the irony that Imran Khan's charisma is not enough to win him seat in Pakistan, but he is being roped in to pitch in with his ex-brother-in-law's election campaign here in the UK. In Kingston, Swati Maheshwari, NDTV.
Tuba.com